Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to stop by and show you that I've been working on some you know what? I figured I would do a lot of Buddha earrings since these always sell so well when I'm out and about and I kind of jump off an edge and incorporating the different colors with the wire and the bead and those ear wires just to give them a different type of look and a little bit more character. And I kind of like the way they turned out. And I'm going to make a lot of these. And these will probably be the $12 Buddha earrings when I'm out selling. So I'm starting to get in a lot of different invitations to participate at pop-up shops. And I have reached back out to the people and saying, hey, yeah, I'm considering. I think this is really pretty. I really like the color on this too right here. Came out really nice. But anyway, that's it for today.